4, 3, 2, 1. And try not to get like so caught up in the breath as long as you're just breathing. We're trying to stay with those counts. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back heel spins down. Inhale, lift up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Holds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull yourself down. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can come back to that child's pose or down dog. So a lot of times if we're really stressed and overwhelmed, just staying still can be really difficult. So kind of moving the body, I like to call it get the chaos out. So your next breath in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg comes forward. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse your warrior. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, low twisted lunge. Right hand comes down towards the ground or a block. Peel that chest open. We're gonna hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. You're just going nice, slow, and controlled. And if it's not exactly 4, that's okay. Just flow slowly with your breath, moving in and out. Good. Spin everything back down towards the ground. Now you can step back, down dog, or child's pose. Either option. Take a big breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it all go. Okay, we're gonna add on. I'm not gonna cue you for the counting now. You can kind of follow at your own pace. I'm just gonna gently add on. Take a nice gentle breath in. Exhale, right leg comes forward. Good, we're holding. Just explore what you're feeling in the movement. Right knee going forward, left leg going back. Back heel spins down, lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. Breathing into that right side of your rib cage, left side of your rib cage pulling back. Nice job. Low twisted lunge. Left hand comes down, spin the back heel up. Pause and hold. Right knee going forward, left leg going back. Back heel comes down, lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. Open up that right side of the rib cage. Now we're going to come into a half moon. So if you want to grab your block in that right hand, you can, or you can hover. We're going to start to take off over the right leg. We're not pushing with the back, but lifting up with the right. Left hand comes to your hip. Maybe you hold and stay here. Maybe you peel and lift that left leg up. Stacking shoulders, stacking hips. We're spreading the right foot. Lift out of the waist. And then we'll slowly step it back. Down dog. Or child's pose. Nice big breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Nice. And again, if you're getting caught up on the breathing, just flow and focus on breathing. Here we go. Take a nice breath in. On the exhale, that left leg comes forward. Pause and hold. Left knee comes forward. Right leg is going back, opening up the hips. Back heel spins down, lift up and back. Reverse your warrior. Nice breath in. Right side of the rib cage is pulling back. Breathe into that left side of your rib cage. Exhale, let it go. Low twisted lunge. Left arm to the sky. Peel your chest open. We're pulling that left side of the rib cage back just a little bit more. Reverse your warrior. Back heel spins down. Lift up and back. Good, you're gonna pull yourself, come up. You wanna grab that block in your left hand. We're coming to half moon. So that left leg does all the work as we tap forward. Right hand to your hip, stack everything. Push into the left foot, spread those toes. And again, the left leg can be down, toe tapping, hovering, or coming up. Reach through the crown of the head and lift out of that left hip. And slowly step it back. Nice job. super heavy. Let it all go. On your next inhale, here we go. Adding on a little more. Take that right leg, step your right leg forward. Press down into those feet. Lengthen out. And see each time we go through back heel spins down, reverse your warrior. What's different? What's changing? It's opening up. As I fall backwards, that's totally fine. Reach through those fingertips, lengthen out. Low twisted lunge. And you continue to open up that mid-back area. Back